Hi, I'm Lori McDonald, and I created this course to help food manufacturers and e-commerce teams like yours get real results using AI, even if you're working with limited staff and tight budgets, because who isn't, right? I know it's hard to do more with less, and I've seen firsthand how tools like ChatGPT can give us leverage when we need it most. I own two businesses, Brilliance Business Solutions and Norsland Lefse. I started Brilliance back in 1998 after earning a degree in computer electrical engineering from Purdue. A fun fact, I interned at NASA and later became a flight controller for the space shuttle program. That taught me how to solve complex problems under pressure, a skill that I've carried with me ever since. After NASA, my husband and I moved to Milwaukee as a part of a promotion that he had at Rockwell Automation. And his experience managing large scale data systems for manufacturers helped shape our focus at Brilliance, supporting mid market manufacturers and distributors, leveraging e commerce and data integrations. Over the years, Brilliance has grown and been featured twice on the Inc. 5000 list of fastest growing companies. In 2024, we acquired Norsland Lefse, a Lefse manufacturing company in Rushford, Minnesota. If you're not familiar, Lefse is a traditional Norwegian flatbread, and ours is made from real russet potatoes and no preservatives. We quickly replatformed the business e-commerce site from Wix to BigCommerce, and we started experimenting with digital marketing. Demand grew. We also ran into real challenges scaling production while also continuing to market with a small team. Throughout that journey, I have leaned on ChatGPT and other LLMs to help me write content, generate campaign ideas, analyze data, and support operations. It saved me time, sparked creativity, and helped me stretch my resources. At Brilliance, we help companies integrate e-commerce platforms like BigCommerce, Shopify, and Optimizely with ERPs and back office systems to help them be more efficient and effective. We also build custom functionality and improve user experiences that drive conversions. So if this course gives you ideas about systems or improvements you'd like to make, that's exactly the work we do. But this course is designed to stand on its own. No pitch, just value. So I hope you will join me as we get started with Module 1, where you'll be using ChatGPT to create content for your own business right away. I'll see you inside.